Average person in America who's deprived of opportunities, or particularly overseas, what are the main human rights? They would start off, I would like to have a right to live in a decent home.
Every 24 hours, nearly 150 homes are completed with the help of our partner families and volunteers. The needs of these families are diverse, but so is the Habitat for Humanity solution. In addition to our traditional model, Habitat's partner families are served through programs including disaster response, government relations and advocacy work, as well as neighborhood revitalization and microfinance solutions.
This is my Habitat house. My parents helped build it. Now we don't get wet when it rains. I don't get too hot or too cold inside. And I don't have to worry when the winds blow. This is my house.
This is my house. This is my house. My house.
My house.
I can play with my sister. I can play with my brother. I can play with my mother, my father, my family.
My family. My family.
This is my house.
This is my house.
I can study. I can be safe with my family. This is my house.
This is my house.
My house.
My house.
This is my house.
Find out how you can help more families like mine have a safe, decent place to call home.